Dear all, welcome to the playlist of general knowledge. In this video, I'll be discussing most important questions from important facts on Indian Railway. This is the third part of the video. The previous two video has been updated in the I button and the description box of this particular video. Kindly visit that particular video and get the information very clearly. However, let us continue the session. There are 10 questions. So let me scroll down. I request you to note down the correct answer. Most of the questions are important and I found some questions which is already repeated. So that's why I have started the session. So I request you to note down the right answer. I'm scrolling down right now. So you can able to note down. I hope you can able to note down the correct answer. So once you have done, let us go for the discussion. Let's have a brief discussion individually. Moving on to the first question. Longest railway tunnel in India. Pir Panjal Range, Konkan Range, Thane, Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Yard. Which is the correct answer? Just think and tell me the answer. So as per the particular question, so the largest railway tunnel in India is Pir Panjal Range. I should go ahead with option A. Option A is the correct answer. Moving on to the second question. Largest high-tech railway zone, western, southern, eastern, northern. Which is the largest high-tech railway zone? Obviously, it is eastern zone. Question number 3. Busiest railway zone, western, southern, eastern, northern. Which is the right answer? Obviously, the western region, including Mumbai region, that is the busiest railway zone. So you can note down the correct answer. You may note down the important point in somewhere else, wherever you can able to recover during the time of competitive examination. So moving on to another 3 questions. Question number 4, you can read. First railway tunnel in India. Pir Panjal Range, Parasik Tunnel, Dapori Tunnel, none of these. First railway tunnel, which is the right answer? The right answer is Parasik Tunnel. I should go for option B. Question number 5, world longest railway route. UK, USA, Trans-Siberian Railway, Russia. The right answer is Trans-Siberian Railway. That is the longest railway route. Okay, you can opt option C. Let me discuss question number 6. Railway Staff College is located in Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Baroda. The right answer is Gujarat, Baroda. It is also known as Vadodara. Okay, I can go ahead with option D. So let me conclude with the remaining 4 questions. Question number 7. You can read the question. India's first computerized railway reservation system was introduced in the year of dash 1984, 1980, 1982, 1986. Obviously, I can go ahead with the option D, 1986. Question number 8. In broad gauge, the distance between the two lines in broad gauge is how much? There are 3 classification: broad gauge, then meter gauge and narrow gauge. Depends on the gap between two railway path. Actually, the broad gauge, the gap between two lines are 1.67 meter. So check option A. You can mark option A. Question number 9. Distance in meter gauge is restricted to 1 meter. I can go ahead with option C. And question number 10. Shortest distance between railway line is maintained by which among the option? Broad gauge, meter gauge, narrow gauge, both broad gauge and meter gauge. Anyway, option D is incorrect option. Among 3, which is the right answer? The shortest distance between railway line is maintained by obviously the narrow line. I have to select option C. So these are the valuable questions. You can expect these kind of questions in the examination, and I request you to note down the answer in a separate notebook so that you can able to recall whenever new exam call for. So if you are having any clarification, you can put up in the comment box. Finally, I request you to share this video those who are really preparing for competitive examination. Thank you very much for watching this video.